All right, guys, in this episode, we are going to build a little small town for our game. So, yeah, it's going to be quick, it's going to be easy, it's going to be fun. So I'll see you here in a second. All right, guys, let's build us a little village. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this this one asset that I got, and you guys are free to use it too. If you're Patreon members, you can download this project and then migrate it over to yours. But if I'm just going to add it directly to this project instead of putting a link for it. So yeah, if you go down here and you open up your Fab browser here, I'll show you which one I'm using, and it's this fantastic village pack, and you can just search that, you know, fantastic village pack, and I'm just going to add that to the project, and it'll take a second to add it, so we'll come back when it's finished adding to the project. All right, now that it's added into the project, one of the reasons, if you guys have been following me for a while, we have a meshes to BP video that we done, and I was just going to migrate the asset over and just put a downloadable link on there for you guys, but this project's in 5.5.4 and that project's in 5.7, and when you migrate backwards, just, you know, quick little lesson here, it breaks stuff. So it's best just to add it directly to the project. But if you're on 5.7 doing this right now, then you should be perfectly fine just to download this project and bring it straight over. But yeah, anyway, let's get started. Okay, so now that it's done, I'll show you, and I don't like this extra window. Let's go to the bottom here. You'll see in our content folder, we'll have this fantastic village pack, and it comes with a lot of things, including if you click on blueprints and then buildings, it comes with all these different buildings. And what we're going to do is we're going to clear a little spot out here somewhere in the world, and we're going to make this little village and all that, and then later on we're going to add like NPCs and stuff. We may not be able to do that this video, but we're going to go ahead and like get the landscape down and all that for this town. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing, we made our, you know, a little swimming tutorial last episode, and you know, where you could just run over here in this little pond here area, and you know, you can jump in the water and bam, he's swimming, and then you can come back out. All right, so what I was thinking was like maybe somewhere like in this area here. I'm gonna save it, so we're starting here, but yeah, like somewhere like maybe right in here. Let's clear that out and let's make our town there. So what we're gonna have to do this, and you might be thinking, if you didn't follow the beginner series, you're probably thinking, oh, we've got to, you know, erase all this foliage. Well, the way we done this in that series, everything you see here is procedurally spawned. See, if we back up, you know, it all disappears. Now this is like regular foliage and stuff that we placed in the world, but the rest of this is like procedurally spawned. So that's not going to be an issue for us. So let me show you how we're going to fix this real quick. And if you are following along in this intermediate series and you have not done the beginner series, definitely recommend going and looking at, it's either episode 3 or 4. I think it's episode 4. And it'll show you how we done all this in like 10 minutes. But let's go up here to our landscape mode. And if we go to paint, I created this landscape layer material. So yeah, what we're going to do here, let's use for our base like this gray rock here, and let's just kind of clear us out like a pretty good area for a town here. All right, and now when it comes back, you see everything's on the outside. We may have took that a little bit too far. Let me Control Z. Let's make that brush a little bit smaller, maybe around 800 there. We're just gonna, you know, create this little area here for our town, and we can always expand it. All right, and once we've done that, that looks pretty good there. Let's go ahead and let's start placing some of these buildings here. Okay, so if you go over here to that fantastic village pack and blueprints and buildings, we have a few different houses here. Let's grab like this little windmill here, and if we grab that, we can, you know, rotate it around, and yeah, we're definitely going to need more room. if we're going to do a bigger village, but we'll just do a little small one right now. And we'll use that one, and then let's grab like maybe house number 5 here, and yeah, we're gonna have to make this bigger. These are bigger than I remembered. We'll put it here, and let's see, let's grab another couple of them, maybe house 3 here, and let's rotate it around so the door's facing the right direction here, and then we'll add one more over there. So in that case, let's get this 6 here. Yeah, that'll work. And we'll just rotate it around to about here. All right, and with that done, let's go ahead and get back in our landscape tool, and let's just clean this area up a little bit here. I actually kind of like there to be a little grass in between the houses, so I'm going to paint like some grass like back through here, maybe back through here, and yeah, and then we'll go back to our gray rock here, and then we'll just, you know, kind of slowly go around here, maybe back through here, and we'll take it even as far as through there. Just want to make sure that we don't have any trees trying to come up through the houses there. So let me go back to my grass layer, and let me paint in between here. Go right around the back side. Let's paint in here. Yes. Alright, so let's see what that looks like. Nice. Okay, so we got this little small village here. And if we want to, we can actually make this a road that kind of goes into here. Yeah, let's do that. That'll look good. Let's maybe start from like right in here. So if we get our rock sand layer, we can just grab it here, and then maybe just, you know, a road that kind of cuts in here and goes right into our town. All right, let's see what that looks like. Okay, and then yes. Okay, and let's go ahead and clean that up a little bit more. Get right here and clean this up. Just kind of clicking on it here, guys, and clean it up here. All right, and what we could do also with our town here, we can add a few props to it. So let's go back to our selection mode, and let's go back to our fantastic village pack. And it's cool, you know, he's got the little chimney there with the smoke coming out and these. But let's see what all we got here. If we go to, well, let's see, build, no, we don't want that. Meshes here, and let's look at props here. Okay, what do we have under furniture? All right, so yeah, we have like a little table here, and we can set it here in front of this house. Maybe turn it just slightly here. So we got this little table here. Like I told you guys, this is a great pack, by the way. You can do a lot with, and we got a few chairs here that we could sit, you know. We don't want it on the table. We move that back just a little bit. Press N to snap it to the ground. And that's a small chair. We could probably increase the scale maybe to, say, 1.2. How's that look? Still very small. Maybe we just make the table like 0.5 or 0.7. Yeah, that'll be fine. But just playing around a little bit here. And Now that we got that chair there, I'm just going to duplicate, Control D, and now we're going to have a couple chairs setting out here by our table here. And let's see what else we got. Let's see, we have this like a little outhouse. We can move it out here, maybe turn it here, so it's, you know, little outhouse. Maybe set it over here back behind the trees a little bit. And what else we got here? I think that's pretty good. Oh, we got this little bench. Maybe we could have this. Oh, this would be nice. We could set this over here by the water, so you can just like, so they can just be sitting out by the water, watching the pond. Just bring it here, rotate it around, and yeah, that's nice there. Maybe slide it forward just a little bit, pull it up, press in, snap it down, and yeah, that's good there. And let's see here what else we can do. No, we don't want a guillotine. There's the outhouse door we could put on there if we wanted, but we'll leave it open for now. And let's go back over here to our props. We have this, let's see, we have a well. So maybe we can just put this well maybe on the other side over here. Like it's pulling the water from, you know, our pond somehow. So we'll just set it like maybe there, and then rotate it so where it's facing us, look a little bit better. And I'm gonna slide it this way just a little bit. Yeah, so there. And what else do we have? Let's see. If you wanted to, I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of different things. We could add like a little sign here, you know, that has different things. Maybe this house will be like, you know, the woodworker's house or something. That's what it looks like. And then we also have another sign here. And let's rotate it a little bit. Okay. And that can just stay what it is. I do want to rotate this though around this way and maybe slide it over just a tad there. All right. And yeah, that looks pretty good. I like it. Okay. And there we go. We got us a little town. Now let's go run around and check it out real quick, see what it all looks like. And yeah, perfect. It's just we got us a nice little town. And I'm not sure if the, yeah, everything's already set. And you could add some physics to the door there so it open and close. You could play around, make it to where you could set in these chairs and all that if you wanted to. But yeah, it looks pretty good. We got us a little town, guys. Next episode, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll add some NPCs in this town and have them, you know, some of them that are idle and some of them that walk around. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.